Find expression in rhythm. Power Dance emerges as a dynamic force, captivating audiences with its
Pedon, malapit masyado.
Boundless creativity. It transcends mere entertainment. It serves as a platform for self-expression, empowerment, and storytelling. A tribute to an overseas Filipino worker mother. She left her child behind to work abroad, where she became a maid. Her child may have strayed and mingled with the wrong crowd. Despite being a busy mother working abroad, she fell ill. However, the mother promised she would return for her child's graduation. In the end, she arrived in a wheelchair due to her illness, but managed to attend her child's graduation. At the heart of this narrative, the CCSA department emerges as a phoenix rising from the ashes, achieving a triumphant resurgence on stage wherein they celebrate the triumph in dance, but also honors in the sacrifices, fortitude, and all those who have supported them along their journey. Once again, performer number 2.
Uma, mag-aaral kang mabuti ha. Hindi ko gustong iwan ka mag-isa. Nag-miss kita ng sobra. Mag-iingat ka. Luna, kamusta ka na? Pasensya ka na kung mayroon ako nakatawag. Pagod kasi ako sa trabaho. Ang dami-dami kasi pinapagawa sa akin. Sa totoo nga lang, magkasakit ako. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, kayang-kaya. Hayaan mo, uwi ako sa graduation mo.
Ma, salamat ha. Simula pagbabata, ikaw na ang kasama. Kumagang ako sa sugat ko, sa tuwing nadadapa. Unang nagturo kung paano magsulat at magbasa. Minsan nga, napapalo mo pa. Ikaw rin ang unang nagturo sa akin kung paano maging mabuti sa kapwa.